Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make TikTok green screen videos. TikTok green screen effects allow you to use custom video or picture backgrounds while recording videos on the app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and press on the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, hit the Effects section in the bottom left corner. Find the Green Screen Effects section and tap it. Now decide what green screen effect you want to use. After that, click on the plus icon and depending on what green screen effect you have selected, pick out the video or picture from your camera roll. As soon as you are ready to start recording, hit the button. Don't forget that you can also add music, insert stickers, apply filters, or write something. Once your video is ready, click on the next button and share it to TikTok. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make TikTok green screen videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.